In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack login issues. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you've opened Slack only to be greeted by an error message when you try to log in, don't worry. There are a few troubleshooting steps we can take together to figure out what's going on and hopefully get you back in touch with your team in no time. Start by opening your favorite web browser. Once it's open, go to Google and type in Slack status. This is a quick way to check if there might be any widespread issues with Slack services that could be affecting your ability to log in. You'll want to click on the official Slack system status link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the Slack status page, take a look at the top banner. It might say something like, Slack is up and running. If it does, that's good news. But here's something to keep in mind. If you suspect that there might be issues specific to your area or connection, click the banner to expand more details. This can sometimes provide insights into any connection troubles that users are experiencing. Next, let's filter through the specific types of issues that might be listed on that page. Scroll down a bit and look for the main status area, where you'll find options to filter through different conditions, such as no issues, maintenance, notice, incident, and outage. If you see anything marked as an incident or an outage, that could definitely be the culprit for your login problems. Now, if you're particularly worried about the login process itself, let's take a closer look at the features. In that same area, you should see a grid of services. Click on Login SSO to check if there are any reported issues with the sign-in mechanism. While you're at it, you might also want to examine related features, such as connectivity, workspace administration, or apps and integrations. Sometimes issues in one area can affect others, including your ability to log in. Once you've done that, it's time to review any recent history. Scroll down on the status page and look for a section called See History. Here you can see if there have been any past incidents that might match the errors you've been experiencing during your login attempts. If you find an active incident that corresponds with your trouble, it's best to wait for them to resolve it on their end. Now, if everything looks healthy, then awesome. Go back to Slack, and let's try logging in again. If you're still running into issues, you might want to try a few more troubleshooting techniques, such as clearing your browser's cache, trying a different browser, or even restarting your device. So, there you have it. Those steps should help you troubleshoot any Slack login issues you may encounter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting